Tango bafethu, welcome to True News Sport. Bafethu, we have following game Saturday where we were going to play Zamalek in Egypt, bafethu. But the only problem that we have for now is the pressure, bafethu. While you are on top of the log, bafethu, we still have a pressure that we need to fix on Saturday. And the other thing that we need to at least notice, we have seen the way these coaches, they confused the Al Masry by playing Stellenbosch. Yes, we were very angry, we lost. But when you check, they were trying to confuse the Al Masry. This team lost on Nedbank Cup, which means it's an easy team to beat. But at the end of the day, we won that game, bafethu, with a good score. The only thing that was needed there is the last goal so that we can finalize everything. If we manage to finalize everything, we're going to be at least standing in a good position. But the problem is the coaches, they said it was not communicated with them. Then if we score more goals, then we are covered. It was not communicated to them, which means if it was communicated to them, it was going to be a great deal because we were going to be standing on a good position while we know no one is going to be in competition with us. We're going to close the chapter for the CAF Confederation Cup last 16. But we still have a chance. It's on our hands as Kaizer Chiefs to win this match on Saturday. The only thing that we need to do as Kaizer Chiefs, let's not go there for a draw. Let's go there to win. So that if we fail to win, then we can draw. But if we go for a draw, then when we fail to make draw, we will lose. So I hope these coaches, they studied this very well and they have a better understanding because we need intelligent coaches now. Even though we know our players, they are still struggling there and there, but we need clever coaches, intelligent coaches, so that they can, because sometimes you can win a game in a substitute time, sometimes you can win a game